Today, we will show you how to fix an unresponsive or black screen issue on your iPhone. It can be frustrating when your device stops responding, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into the solutions. First solution, force restart your iPhone. Most of the time, an unresponsive or black screen is caused by a firmware crash. To fix this, let's perform a force restart on your iPhone. Press and release the volume up button quickly, followed by the volume down button. Then, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Your iPhone will force reboot. Release the power button when you see the Apple logo, and then wait for the reboot to finish. In most cases, this simple procedure should resolve the issue. However, if the device is still not responding after that, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, charge and perform a forced restart. If the problem persists, you should try charging your iPhone before performing the forced restart procedure again, because it's possible that the battery is just drained. Connect your iPhone to a charger using the original cable. Leave your iPhone connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes, regardless of whether the charging sign is displayed or not. After that, perform the forced restart again while your iPhone is still connected to the charger. If the issue was caused by a minor problem related to a recent update, your iPhone should boot up now. However, if it's still stuck on the black screen, there may be a hardware issue. In that case, we recommend having your iPhone checked by a professional. We hope this video has helped you fix the unresponsive or black screen issue on your iPhone. Remember, most cases are resolved by force restarting the device. If you found this information useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching.